or beauty of this vessel, beauty of this masterpiece with the female beauty. He says that when we talk about like this vase or vessels, like this you know, a kind of piece, we don't need to see its inner or outer beauty. If it looks beautiful outside, it will be beautiful. We don't need to see its inner beauty in a way to evaluate piece of art. If we've got any ways or kind of vessels, or just like this urn, whatever we have, we don't need to see its inside, its inner beauty. We just evaluate with respect to outer beauty. If it exterior, in its exterior form, if it is looking beautiful, it will be known, it will be called beautiful. But look at the other side of the beauty. If we talk about the female beauty will be judged from inner side. If she is beautiful from outer side, if we see the outer outlook of a female and she looks beautiful, but she is not innerly beautiful, she's morally corrupt and she is not innerly beautiful, she will not be known as a beautiful girl. So this is the point of the Huxley. So let's see in the comprehension what happens. So the answer is emphatically is no. For the real beauty is much as the affairs of the inner of the outer self. The beauty of the porcelain jar. Here is a jar. This is a porcelain jar. This is a porcelain jar, and in this jar, what you see that outerly, if you see the outer outlook of this jar, it looks very beautiful. Huxley says that we don't need to evaluate its inner beauty because it's a piece, it's just jar, it's just a lifeless thing, and you just see it, you enjoy it, looks beautiful, okay, it's beautiful. But talk about the female beauty must be judged from the inner beauty. If she's out, if she's having beautiful look, but innerly she's a corrupt and morally corrupt, you cannot say a female beautiful female, because female beauty will be judged, evaluated with respect to inner beauty. So this is what the difference between the female beauty and this jar beauty. ये जार है और दूसरी साइड पे वुमेन की ब्यूटी है. तो हक्सले हमें बताता है कि ये खूबसूरत दशीजा की जो ब्यूटी है वो इनरली उसका मॉरल वैल्यूज देखी जाएंगी, इनर ब्यूटी से वैल्यूएट होगी वो, जबकि ये किससे होगा, आउटर ब्यूटी से. अब यहां चूंकि ये एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, ये एक यूज करने वाली चीज है, इसके अंदर फीलिंग, पैशन, इमोशंस नहीं है, और ये जो चीज फीमेल की ब्यूटी है ये इनरली ब्यूटीफुल इसको देखा जाएगा और उससे लेवल से उसको एवेल्युएट किया जाएगा. So the answer is emphatically it's no, for the real beauty is made such affairs of the inners of the outer self. The beauty of the porcelain's jar is a matter of shapes, of colors, or the surface texture. The jar may be empty or the tenanted by the spiders. Tenant mean possessions. By the spiders, full of honeys, stinkings, slimes, or it makes no difference to its beauty or the ugliness. यानी एक जार है, उसके अंदर जो भी है, हनी हो या समथिंग एल्स हो या जो भी उसके अंदर है, but it will not be evaluated with respect to inner beauty, it will be evaluated from the outer beauty. If it looks beautiful, you will just pick it up, you will buy it, you will purchase it. But a woman is live. The woman is a livable, she's living, she lives, and she lives, and her beauty is therefore not skin deep. The surface of the human vessel is affected by the nature of its spiritual content. I have seen women हक्सले मजीद बताता है कि मैंने बहुत सारी फीमेल देखी हैं who be the standard of the coinosaur. Coinosaur का मतलब होता है एक्सपर्ट इन आर्ट, कि वो बहुत खूबसूरत होती हैं. ऑफ द पोर्सलिन्स were ravishingly lovely. Their shape, their color, their surface textures were perfect. And yet they were not beautiful. कि मैंने फीमेल बहुत सारी देखी हैं कि वो उसकी आउटलुक जो है वो बड़ी खूबसूरत है, ब्यूटी है, अच्छा कलर है, अच्छी शेप है, अच्छा बॉडी है, सब कुछ है, बट स्टिल दे आर नॉट कॉट ब्यूटीफुल. फॉर द लवली वेस, अगर एक वेस को देखा जाए या किसी वेसल को देखा जाए या किसी एक जार को देखा जाए, was either empty or filled with some corruptions, spiritual emptiness, ugliness shows through, and conversely there is interior light that can transfigure form that pure aestheticians would regard as imperfect and downright ugly. द ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री बाय द एल्डर्स हॉक्सले. यानी हॉक्सले कहता है कि अगर आप किसी चीज को अवेल्यूएट करना चाहते हो तो वो अवेल्यूएट होगी, जैसे कोई जार है, अवेल्यूएट आउटर ब्यूटी से. बट वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू अवेल्यूएट वुमेन्स beauty, so women's beauty will be evaluated with respect to her morality, her spirituality, her goodness, her inner thoughts. If she is corrupt enough, and though she is beautiful and corrupt enough, she will not be evaluated as a beautiful girl or woman. So woman's beauty will be evaluated with respect to her inner beauty, spiritual beauty, moral beauty. So what does the writer say about the proclaimed ajar? तो प्रोक्लेम जार के बारे में वो क्या क्या कहता है कि इफ यू वांट टू, हम इसका आंसर सिंपली ये देंगे. He says, if you want to evaluate the beauty of jar, vessel, object, it will be evaluated with respect to its external look. You don't need to go into the detail whether it is filled with honey or with spiders, uh, tenanted by spider or full of honeys or stinking slimes or whatever inside the you can say jar, but jar will be evaluated with respect to its outer look, its external look. So this is what the answer of this one. Explain what writers say about the beauty of the woman. He says, if you want to evaluate the ladies, if you want to evaluate the women's, so women's beauty will be evaluated with respect to spirituality, morality, goodness, inner goodness, inside goodness, and what she is having inside, because she will be evaluated with respect to the inner beauty, morality, goodness, faithfulness. And this is what the characteristic of the beautiful woman. If she is externally beautiful but not having good morality, goodness, faithfulness, and integrity, she will not be called beautiful. How would you explain the spiritual emptiness? Spiritual emptiness, Huxley say, so spiritual emptiness mean person who is a void. If you see inside, she is not perfect. Though she is outwardly beautiful, outlook is beautiful, but innerly she is not beautiful, or somebody is not beautiful if he or she is void inside. What is your idea of beauty in a human being? Human being में beauty का क्या idea है? So in human being, if you say that somebody is beautiful, he or she meet the standard of inner beauty. If he or she is not innerly beautiful, we cannot say he or she is beautiful. He or she will be called beautiful if he or she is morally good, morally not corrupt. Soul is beautiful, not body. We need soul, good soul. Suggest a suitable title for the passage. So we can say that the suitable title for this passage will be what is the beauty of the female beauty. So values of female beauty, or you can say the beauty of soul. So this is what can be the title. Write a précis of the passage. So when we write the précis, because we know the sense of this essay, and there is a quite coherent idea inside the passage, we can easily write its précis. First we will make point, and we have make point. So beautiful but ways या जार को ब्यूटीफुल कहने के लिए आउटर ब्यूटी चाहिए, उसके अंदर क्या है हमें नहीं पता, हमें जानने की ज़रूरत है. वुमेन की ब्यूटी को जानने के लिए क्या चाहिए, इनर ब्यूटी चाहिए. ब्यूटी हो सकती है आउटर, लेकिन वर्ड फिर भी वो वर्ड होगा, बिल्कुल खाली है. तो we need beauty, inner beauty, he says. So now you can write précis as well if you wish. So here is the essay. Essays over here. I want to share with you outline of the essay. If you see, analyze the factor which resulted in the creation of Pakistan. अगर हम एनालाइज करना चाहते हैं कि वो कौन से फैक्टर हैं जिनकी वजह से पाकिस्तान की क्रिएशन जो है वो वजूद में आई. सो व्हाट वर द कॉजेज ऑफ पाकिस्तान क्रिएशन. पाकिस्तान की क्रिएशन, व्हाट वर द कॉजेज ऑफ पाकिस्तान creation of Pakistan. So how does it got its existence? So let's see. यहाँ पे कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं. एक तो ये है कि वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस हुई 1857 में. यूं होता है कि मुस्लिम जो हैं वो एक जंग लड़ते हैं किसके साथ, इंग्लिश पीपल के साथ. इंग्लिश पीपल के साथ 1857 में एक जंग होती है, और उस जंग में मुसलमान दे वर बिटरली बाय द इंग्लिश पीपल. तो इंग्लिश पीपल उस जंग में जीत जाते हैं और मुसलमान उस जंग में हार जाते हैं. उसमें बहुत सारी काजेज हैं. मुसलमान तरह इतने यूनाइटेड नहीं थे, वेल प्लान नहीं थे, और जंग भी प्लान नहीं थी. अल्टीमेटली वो हार गए, और हारने की वजह से चूंकि मुसलमान उसमें लीडिंग कर रहे थे, तो हिंदू जो थे वो उसमें एडवांटेज हासिल करते हैं और मुसलमानों को सप्रेस करते हैं इंग्लिश पीपल. एक तो ये पॉइंट है. तो अब जब वो उनको सप्रेस किया जाता है, तो मुस्लिम ये सोचते हैं कि चूंकि इंग्लिश और हिंदू जो हैं ये दोनों मिलके हमें सप्रेस करेंगे, अगर हमने पाकिस्तान या अलहदा मुल्क ना बनाया कंट्री, तो दे विल बी बिटन फॉर एवर, दे विल बी suppressed forever, because English and they knew the intention of Hindus people, Hindu people and English people. हमें पता चल गया कि ये दोनों जो हैं वो ठीक नहीं है. उर्दू हिंदी कंट्रोवर्सी जो है 1867 में ये कंट्रोवर्सी हुई. उर्दू को इंग्लिश पीपल ने सिलेक्ट कर लिया ज़बान, और इससे हिंदुओं को बहुत तकलीफ हुई, और हिंदुओं ने मुखालफत की उर्दू की, और उन्होंने इंग्लिश